Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadowave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Mazda CX-7 Luxury Sport, stock reference number 4645. This shape runs from the 10th month 2006 through to the 2nd month 2012. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand rear. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, right hand indicator, left hand indicator, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard has one small dent, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door also has one small dent, left rear, factory alloy 19-inch mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light, tailgate appears to have no damage, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, module and neck. Right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.